Hi, welcome to StressedOutStressFree.com. My name is Vincent Woon. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to control or how to take care of dry cough and also coughing. What causes dry cough? It could be you haven't drank enough water, and sometimes your throat just dries off. It's a really pain in the butt because it comes all of a sudden and it attacks you and you got no control over it. So what do? Let's see what happens when you cough. Let's pretend this is your lungs, this muscles of your lungs, and when you cough, so when you cough this way, your muscles contract, and what happens is it tightens up the muscle. So it tightens up the muscle around your chest area and also your ribs, and it tightens just pretend this is the ribs, and tightens the muscles in between the ribs, what we call the intercostal muscles. What do you do after that? When your throat all of a sudden becomes dry, first thing you need to do is go grab a cup of water. If you don't have access to the water, you can start rubbing the chest area. What happens is that helps loosen up the muscles on the chest, so it will slow down the coughing. And if you have been coughing for a while, probably 1 or 2 days, what you need to do, or what you can do, or when you start coughing, what you need to do is rub the muscles in between the ribs, like such. So find the rib cage and go into the muscles in the middle, like this. Let's say the muscle is here, and let's go in between the ribs, that way, to loosen up the muscle. Or you can go rub it this way too, in between the ribs, but into the muscle. And when you do that loosen up the muscle, and then when they loosen up the muscle, your lungs actually move back to the normal position, and it loosens up the whole chest area, and that helps reduce the coughing. This is what I do when I have a dry spell or when I start coughing. If you like this video, please click on the like button and the tweet button to share it with your friends. And if you have any comment, please leave it in the comment box below. And I see you in the next video.